Imagine finding the private journal of a man who ruled the world and realizing he struggled just like us. Hi everyone, today we are talking about the book Meditations, which was a personal journal of Marcus Aurelius. This book was not written to be published, it was the personal journal of Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor. Even while ruling an empire, he dealt with fear, pressure, anger, and self doubt. The same things we face in our daily lives. In these pages, he reminds himself how to stay calm, how to accept what he cannot control, and how to live with honesty and inner strength. This book is not about becoming powerful, it's about becoming peaceful, even when life is difficult. This book has no story, no chapters like normal books. It's a collection of short thoughts, sometimes just two lines. Here, Marcus is not teaching us, he's talking to himself via his journal. That's why it feels honest to me and very close. Marcus keeps reminding himself of one simple truth. Some things are in your control, your thoughts, actions, choices. Some things are not. People, outcomes, situations, and that's completely okay. Peace begins when you stop fighting what you cannot control. For example, you can speak kindly, but you can't expect others to reply kindly to you. Marcus believed the mind should be calm, not crowded. He warns himself not to replay insults or imagine future problems. He writes that peace is always available if we return to the present moment. Your mind doesn't need more noise, it needs more stillness. For example, turning off notifications when your heart feels tired. Even as an emperor, Marcus reminds himself that fame is temporary. People praised others before him and would forget him too. So he chose not to live for applause. Instead, he focused on being honest and kind. A powerful lesson in today's social media world, that is, just focus on being honest and kind and do not expect applauses for it. Marcus prepares himself daily to meet rude or selfish people, but instead of anger, he chooses understanding. He reminds himself that others act out of their confusion, their own confusion. Their behavior does not need to become your burden. For example, someone speaks harshly and you choose silence or calm instead. Marcus often reflects on how everything changes. Pain passes, joy passes, life itself passes. This thought is not meant to scare us, it is meant to help us hold life very gently, not clinging, not resisting. Marcus believed we are here to play our part sincerely, not to complain, not to compare, but to show up, do our work, and act with integrity. Greatness for him was simple goodness. For example, doing your work well even when no one notices. Just do your duty. This one line carries the soul of the entire book. Life will always be uncertain, but your responses can be studied. Strength is not control over life, it is control over your inner world, how you react to the life. Meditations doesn't promise success or happiness. It offers something deeper, steadiness. In a loud world, this book speaks very softly. And maybe that's exactly what we need today. This book is not meant to be rushed. Open any page, read one thought, Carry it throughout your day. Meditations reminds us peace is not found outside, it is practiced within. If this reflection helped you, if you like this summary, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you.